Mr. Nick.
What's up with it, man?
Talk to the people, man. Let them know what it is, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man. We out here, man.
2021 is all right.
Yes, sir, man. We finna do it.
Stack up, like some lit. Ain't no tip. Who gon' don't get jealous when you're finished.
Hey, y'all see what it is, man. It's your boy Scatyblk817 checking back in, back with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. We out here, car club out here. We at Nebraska Furniture Mart meet, man. A big meet out here in Dallas, Texas, man. So we finna go up, show y'all some cars, man. Give y'all some footage. Y'all enjoy this day, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, browse.
He said this is the first video right here. Got his camera out?
Hey, that man got footage for days.
But I ain't gonna use those. I would.
Bro, you gotta use that, bro.
I would, bro.
Hey, look, you see dripped out.
Oh, yeah,
Everybody dripping today. Dripping? You know what I'm talking about?
Hey, I left my
yeah, okay. Drips. We drip, yeah, you know. We dripped out, you know what I'm talking about?
I gotta get some jelly. I gotta get some jelly.
Little pony done broke down out here, man. Hold on, bro. Hold on now. We done got first. We got action. We got action right now. Y'all see, I told y'all, do not buy no Mustang. All my supporters, I hope y'all ain't got no Mustang. Cause this type of shit that happen. Hey, man. Yeah, they pulling in. Hey, don't y'all buy no ponies. Hey, that must sound good. Yes, sir, brother. I hear you. That mother M3. Or that M3 clean. Hard. Hard. Hard right here. Okay. He bagged out. Shout out to the Outcast. We ride with them, boy. Hey, that mother clean, bro. I love y'all see what it is. Man, it's more clean. I'm just step back for y'all. Ooh, yes, sir, brother. Z. Alright, I'm gonna make mine super long. Tight rope. Hey, we tight roping.
That's that big YouTube dude on here, Steve POV.
Oh, who is
moved out here from
who is he?
He got, I think, like 300-400 something thousand.
Oh shit. So a whole lot of copyright. I'm gonna have to talk real fast. Look, we over here with Steve POV. I'm gonna show you all his cars, but I'm gonna cut the video right now because. So these are all his cars right here. Oh, this more hard here. Man, this thing here hard.
I see the top right over there, so I'm gonna have to chop.
Show y'all this where we at. Nebraska Furniture Mart, Texas. Man, there's over 500 cars out here, man. Who is that? Oh, Pennywise. Go ahead and look at Pennywise over there, man. This is where we at. Hard. Pull it on. Spin a while. There you go. On them. It's hard. Look how he got it on the back window. How he coming up. Nice, bro. Nice, clean, man. Yeah, man. That's nice. That's hard. It is hard. Show y'all under the hood. You got the hood pop. Oh. Yes, sir. What's up, bro? What's going on, man? One more hard.
Can I give you guys a flyer?
Man, look at these things out here, y'all. Ooh, man, come on now. It's real money right here, man. Hey. Oh my God, look at that one. That thing hard, bro. Black. Hey, I like this one, bro. Yeah. I like this one, bro. And that's hard. You got the whole line up. All the way down here. And y'all see these one, they got, anybody that got these gold cones right here, that mean they somebody. Yeah, sir. Ooh, look at that orange thing. That orange is hard. Really? Which one? Right here? Yeah, it is. Man, this is crazy, bro. I like this one. Man, I like this one. They got the dash did. They're hard, bro. Them are hard. What we got? Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, man. Lambo down there? Yeah, sir. Yeah, it's hard. It is hard. Gen X Kid. Wow. It's hard. What we got right here?
But he said that was the reason why he got into it.
Porsche. Bro, that's probably my favorite one right there. Just because it got all them colors in it.
That's unique.
That's hard. Here. See how the whole line up.
I think that's what we're going to thumbnail.
That one? Okay, want me to get you a picture? Clearing thing right there. That boy, look at doors up. Oh, he's studying hard. He's studying real hard. Yeah, sir, that blue thing, man. It's that blue, baby. Is that a, that's like a, what is that, a mat?
It's like a mat. Like a mat.
Real right.
Yeah, I don't know. That ain't satin on. That gotta be matte. Blue wrap. Show like that orange. Man, this whole, he got the whole color combination. Telling y'all, man, y'all look out. I got something new coming. But it ain't gonna be that. Hey, that's hard. That is hard. I like that. Man, I love these wraps. Matt, shit crazy. Everything here hard.
The one that followed our club on the app. On Park on Front.
That right there hard. I like that one. You hard.
Sorry, what you doing out here?
Scatties. Hey, two things, man. Wild body. Hey, Trey got one. One there right there.
I be seeing that camera everywhere on the IG.
Yeah. It's hard. Get y'all real shit. We go real. He done pulled out the Charlie today. He ain't got the charger today. He pulled out the Charlie. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see him. Party on up. Say, Nick, I thought this was you for a minute, boy. I thought that was you for a minute. Hey, I like this purple thing, man. That man, hey, I love purple. Something about purple. Now, I think this probably like a matte wrap. Let me put some rims on here though. But it's hard. That thing hard. I like it. It's hard. Oh, somebody over there chopping. All right, them right there. These both of his cars, man. Both of them. Y'all hear that thing? That boy sounds good. Man, that's hard. I like this. So he done came to the meet. He done brought both his cars out. He done brought the Camaro out. Then he done brought out the Hellcat. The Hellcat is crazy. Y'all see everything, man. 2018, what, you know, y'all check that out. Yes, sir. I ran into him at another meet. It's a nighttime meet. He got lights on it. And this badge, I'm showing y'all this badge right here. Badge, the badge, that whole badge light up. Like it illuminated at nighttime. So I'm talking about that thing hard. It's crazy.